Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. My name is Malescu and I am a Florida Bar Board certified attorney and owner of Malescu Law, a law firm based in Miami, Florida, specializing in business, corporate and US immigration. We can assist you with all your immigration needs regardless of where you plan to go in the United States or where you are currently located. Today we are going to speak about the H-1B visa transfer process and eligibility requirements. But before we get started, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the bell button or the subscribe button. If you currently have an H-1B visa and you would like to change jobs, then you can transfer your H-1B to a new employer as long as you have been selected in a prior H-1B visa lottery and you meet all the eligibility requirements for the transfer. However, if you are currently on a CAP-exempt H-1B visa working for a CAP-exempt employer, then you will not be able to transfer your H-1B visa to a CAP-subject employer unless you participate in an H-1B visa lottery and you are selected in the lottery and the CAP-subject employer files an H-1B petition for you. To be eligible for the H-1B visa transfer, you must meet the following requirements. 1. H-1B lottery selection. You must have previously been selected in an H-1B visa lottery in order for you to be able to transfer your H-1B visa to a new employer. 2. New job offer. You must have a job offer from a US employer who is willing to hire you and sponsor your H-1B visa transfer. The new employer must file necessary documents on your behalf with the US Department of Labor and the United States Citizenship and Immigration Services in order to initiate the H-1B visa transfer. 3. Valid H-1B status. You must be in valid H-1B status and not max out the H-1B status on its duration, meaning you are at the end of the general 6 years of H-1B status. 4. Specialty occupation. Your new job must still qualify as a specialty occupation, meaning that it requires at least a bachelor's degree or higher, or the foreign equivalent of a bachelor's degree or higher. 5. Employer requirements. Your new employer must meet the requirements for the H-1B visa, meaning that it will offer you a wage that meets the prevailing wage for the occupation in that specific area. And finally, 6. Additional employee requirements. You must meet the minimum qualifications for the new job, including holding at least a bachelor's degree or higher as required by your new job. If the transfer, the new job that you are transferring to requires a license, then you must possess a license in order to be able to qualify for the position and do a successful H-1B visa transfer. And now we are going to discuss the steps involved in the H-1B visa transfer process. It is important to point out that the new employer is the one that will be responsible for the steps involved in the H-1B transfer on behalf of the new H-1B employee. So, the steps for the H-1B transfer process are: 1. Prepare and submit a labor condition application, also known as LCA, with the US Department of Labor. The Department of Labor, the DOL, will take approximately 7 business days to adjudicate the labor condition application. The LCA is going to be valid for up to 3 years and is crucial in obtaining an H-1B approval. Step 2. If the Department of Labor certifies the labor condition application, then the new employer can file Form I-129 with all the supporting documents to prove its H-1B visa case with the United States Citizenship and Immigration Services and request the H-1B visa transfer. Now, the employer can file its application for H-1B visa transfer with regular processing or premium processing. With premium processing, the employer will be able to receive a decision within 15 business days for an additional fee. And the final step, step 3, if the United States Citizenship and Immigration Services approves the H-1B transfer petition, then it will issue a notice of action on Form I-797C confirming that the H-1B transfer was successful, and it will have attached an original I-94 record for the employee, for the beneficiary of the position, showing the validity of their H-1B status. The overall processing time for the H-1B transfer process from beginning to end is anywhere from 3 weeks to couple of months. Of course, the 3-week period for the entire H-1B transfer process is the minimum that you can expect if you are looking to transfer an H-1B visa to a new employer. This is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, and if you need to get in touch with us, you have our contact information in this video and below this video. We will see you soon. Bye.